Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar jela kala Kren Shai bakanom la satiaban Khang ye ki kali Kamai ki bawan Nabar jela namar ba kani ka yetingku bat ki bor jong ka an hanrei ulo ong pat ba ka Sorkar kan lum jelang ya ki trai hotel ki trai resort bat ki bapnia ye ki kam jungo ka ha kani ki jela ka Sorkar kala shim ya kani ka rai ha ka jelang hapdeng usembut menteri rang ba ka jela u ba sngau balang dhar bat ki nongyalam jong ka all khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association Uba sngau ba ulaong bakat kum kaan omla ban Khang ya ki kali ki bawan Nabar hanrei la ban le da ka weipat karukom.
This meeting is in continuation with the previous meeting which I had with them, and today at least we had a very fruitful meeting, very positive one. So yes, there is something which we cannot do from the government because in little with the illegalities, so and they understand properly. And there is some new decision from them, so we are yet examining it. And even tomorrow, so we are continuing to have a meeting with them, with the transport, the tourism, and the associations. Maybe at what time, not at my level, my officer level. So they, you know very well, they request about not to allow the outsider, but that is as per law is not legal, so they understand properly. So hopefully we are here to trying to help our people in such manner so that nobody should harm, and they are very much happy with the meeting. So we also from the government side, especially from the transport and tourism, we are very positive with them. So today's meeting is very good, I should say. So it will take some time again. There is few suggestions from them they suggest us, and which is a very valid suggestion also. So we are on the process of examining it. They suggested that, but AG is with me today in the meeting, and which is legally does not allow to stop other vehicle coming from outside the state. And yes, another suggestion come from them. So why don't you call the hotel or the resort, request them to use the local taxi, and if it is accepted by us, and we will call all this hotel and this resort, and even this all this tour operator within the state. So we'll request them to use our local taxi, and provided we request them also their vehicle should be fit, should be neat and clean, and the driver should be fully disciplined. So at least the outsider who come in Meghalaya, they should be happy with our driver. What was the main? That is the main left part with about that we are yet to discuss with the hotels and with this owner resort, and to express them. Our boy has expressed us to request you to use their vehicle. And yes, maybe some good vehicle are available with the outside state. So even we also we have to prepare for the good vehicle, like Innova. They are having all those vehicles. So no arrangement has been made. We are still on the discussion, and they understand the problem very well. It should not be the same mistake. That is, we are assured from the government. So we told them you bring all the association together and discuss with the tourism and the transport. They will form a new apps to make sure that we are visible in the eyes of the world. We are having a good, competent travelers, tourism driver and the travelers. So tomorrow, one of the agenda they will discuss this. I advise them today. So tomorrow, within the transport and the tourism and with the association, they may form a common apps. So maybe in that apps, when everything is registered, so we may verify from the government that this are the good driver has been verified by the concerned department. So the outsider who came, they feel safe to travel with our own driver.